love how they just walk away. Kill or be killed.
We finished the game?
Nah, yeah, we still got one more mission and we're done.
Jenny, it's your father. Listen, I'm sorry. I know we haven't spoken since, Look, I'm coming home. I hope we can put the past behind us. I'm done with all this, baby. I hope you can forgive me. But sweetheart, if you don't see me, I want you to know I love you.
That's
Through here.
Okay.
Hold on, Evan.
Oh, you're
Hold
playing
on.
Okay. Oh, you're playing as Lynch now, and I'm playing as Kane.
I don't like playing as Kane.
There are hangars over there. If Glazer was telling the truth about the plane, that's where it's gotta be.
I hope you're right.
Just stay low, Lynch.
Oh, we got. What is this? It's like a Beretta silence? Why?
With the suppressor.
I just said that.
Yeah, suppressor.
Stay down!
Kill him. Kill him? Yes? No?
Yep. Oh!
Nice going, dumbass.
Oh, fuck! Oh, yeah.
We both get schwacked.
Yeah, we both got schwacked.
Through here.
See, I don't
hangars
say
over there.
died or killed. I say
Glazer
schwacked.
was telling the truth
Yeah,
about
that's
the plane.
very Jewish of you.
That's where it's gotta be.
I hope you're
You know,
right.
your head's up your own cookies.
stay
You know
low.
that, right?
Just like yours is up your own snaz. What's left of it.
Stay down!
How does that work?
Hey, you got big nostrils. Oh, damn it.
No!
Well, not anymore, anyway.
Ow, 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 fuck
There's like no cover on the approach.
you. We gotta split up, dude.
Yeah, bump down, so.
Oh. I thought that was a bad guy.
Yep, and okay, yeah. We split their fire, like you said.
Through here. There are hangars over there. If Glazer was telling the truth about the plane,
It's just like there's
that's where
no.
it's gotta be.
It's just like there's no cover on the approach, so
Just
that's
stay low,
kind of
Lynch.
annoying. I'm going right.
Means we gotta do basically a headlong sprint.
Stay down!
Oh, fuck yourself. Oh, Evan, cover.
Yep. So I'm doing.
No, I'm saying there's cover.
Yep. Yeah, there was only cover on the sides. Oh, fuck!
I see that. You good?
Yeah, guy right over here.
I'm coming.
Yeah, I got him. There's a maintenance tunnel. Oh, and another.
Really? I have to go.
Come on.
I got a nice suit
Can't
on.
stay up here.
Yeah. You want to live, don't you? Your clothes are your life, motherfucker. My thing is, where did they get these suits from? That's what I'm laughing at. And who the hell were... Well, it's more of just a suit jacket. But I think this was just an homage to the first game.
Gotta catch him before they get reinforcements.
Have to grab
Oh,
it.
shit!
Fuck you.
Crap. worse than us, too.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just these fuckers are getting annoying. Oh! Down. Careful, the guy around the corner. I feel bad, you know, fucking up these guys' work day, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
He is right on the other side.
Yep. Yeah, I got him. All right. Now where the hell do we go?
The hint button. No, oh, come on.
Another maintenance tunnel. Come on. We're just in a suit jacket. A suit jacket. It's not a big deal.
It's a nice suit jacket. Hey Brainiac, you're going the wrong way.
Yeah. I noticed. Is there a way to get up? Like, I don't think there's a way to get up, so. Guy just running. Oh, shit. Got him.
Evan, this way.
Which way? Oh, okay, that way. Come on. God's got a shotgun if you want it. Oh, fuck.
I'll take the shotgun.
To your left, on you. There we go. Alright.
It's not even a regular shotgun, it's a riot shotgun.
Well, when you work in China, you know, makes sense. They probably have riots all the time. They're actually rioting right now over there, too.
Okay. I did not need to see that I did that.
You do not need to see what?
That.
Ooh.
I'll take that. I'm up.
There we go. Okay, their Glazers better be right.
There better be a fucking plane.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No plane here.
No, looks like
Gotta
a
check the
giant
next
wing.
hangar.
You'd think the place would be crawling with cops by now.
Yeah. Keep your eyes peeled.
Probably still is. Or probably is, I mean. Man. Well, can't get through from up here.
Down here,
Okay.
I think.
I think.
Nope. Oh. Right here.
There's the plane.
Thank God for that. Oh, fuck. I don't fucking believe it.
Quiet, Lynch.
Find another plane! Fucking cocksucker! Split up!
Going under.
Okay. Be careful. I don't have any cover for you.
There's more.
Okay, careful. Pin.
Okay.
Oh. Damn it.
Even though I filled his face with buckshot, but that's okay.
Yeah. People survive that, apparently.
Fucking believe it.
Quiet, Lynch.
Shit!
Oh, fuck.
Find another plane!
Ah!
Come on, you fucking...
I'm way up top.
No question.
Oh, shit. Damn. Take your time. Running down with you. The fact that you got me, I'm really surprised. I'm not gonna lie. Come on. Oh shit, there's more. There's like 4 guys over there.
That's what?
I got 1. Got 2. Oh fuck. There's definitely more.
Yeah, there's light machine guns on that wing.
Ooh. Apparently they're using this for Lord of War purposes. Everybody dead? Yes.
Okay, pistols.
Hell yeah, come on. Alright, we'll need to find another plane.
Yep.
Now the question is, where do we go now? Huh. Nope.
Here.
Through where? Oh, alright. Oh, fuck.
This is... Piece of shit can't fly!
I know it's insane, but it's our only chance.
All the stupid things.
Are you done? I don't see any other way, okay? Can you do this?
Yeah,
Oh, this way.
I can.
It's any good. Now let's find the plane. We haven't got much time. They'll be closing off the airport soon.
I know.
We just have to stay out of sight.
Man,
We'll be okay. Relax.
Careful. Oh. Yeah, they're up top, careful.
Wish my dog was still alive. So I'd give the command order.
I miss my dogs.
Trust me, my father wouldn't be living after that. I hate to say it, but my dog was trained.
Oh, fuck. Crap. Keep moving in slowly. I'm almost out of ammo completely.
You got 100 and I got 200 rounds.
Okay, nice. Oh, fuck. Ah, down. Okay. Second chance. Crap. Hang on. Alright. Left side I think is clear, but I can't confirm. guy literally right behind you.
He's dead.
Okay, good. No survivors. And... oh, can't kick in that door. Ah, for the love of God. Shut up, old man. Oh, through here.
I told him I'm like, oh, I don't give a fuck because you and your little faggot friends.
Oh, God.
Literally, he said that.
Alright. Careful, we got more cops.
Down here!
Or Secret Service, whatever the fuck these guys are.
I'm nowhere near you.
Okay. Don't worry, I'm taking him out gradually.
Holy shit! Watch out, Kane! God damn!
Oh shit. Fuck. Fucking A. Oh, damn it. Damn. Oh yeah, I think we take different paths this time. Okay, be very careful.
Down here!
Shit! Watch out, Kane! God damn!
Oh crap, and I haven't even dealt with these guys yet.
What the fuck?
Why, do you got people on your end too, or?
Yeah, and they come out of nowhere and they automatically knock me down.
Shit! Down here!
Down.
I'm trying to help you out.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's
Oh,
fine.
sorry.
Holy shit! Watch out, Kane!
Okay,
God damn!
come on. Yep, I see him now. Damn it. You good? Hey, Tim, you alright? Tim.
Oh, shit! Down here!
Tim, how you doing up there? Crap, he's probably away.
Did we get him?
Ah!
Told him to shut up. So he wasn't gonna work.
Yeah, I heard you in the background. I'm already on the SWAT team part, so be careful.
Fuck it. There's one less douchebag with the shotgun, Evan.
Yep.
He shot at me, I'm like, Nope.
we go.
You fired 2 shots, I fire 9.
Okay, you good?
I'm good.
Alright.
I might need a little bit of soap.
Come on.
And a cigar, but
Oh man, I could use one of
my last Cuba.
those. Got one more guy down here.
Ya mother! Evan, deal with him! I just got shot by the little bastard.
There he is. Alright. Yeah, he ran off, so I couldn't, you know. Oh, fuck! Oh! Ah, damn it! Literally. Switched my pistol, I got the door kicked in on me. Oh, that pisses me off. Okay, Tim, just hang back.
Alright.
Where are the really trying not to shoot the innocent civilians, too.
Fuck you.
Alright, let's see.
Fuck you.
Ow! Fuck!
You alright?
Yeah, just people over there, over here. The other side.
We can get him on the left side.
Yep.
Watch out, Kane! God damn!
I've weakened them, but I'm not stopping. Oh, damn it. Yeah, on your side, they fucked me up.
I was literally in the middle.
Yeah, no, it's fine, it's fine.
Yeah, mother.
Nice. Yeah, they're on the other side.
Yeah, I can tell.
Shit! Watch out, Kane! Oh, shit! Down here!
Yeah, I can see that. You stupid AI.
Yep. Oh, the hell? Oh, that's you. Okay. Thank God.
Literally on your left side.
Yeah, I know. I got him.
I can't hit him.
Yeah, I know. I got him.
Alright, ready?
About to be. Hang on. Let me just loot up and. Alright.
Alright, you don't have to worry about it, but I will.
Okay. There we go.
Lynch! Lynch!
Yeah!
Keep going!
Okay.
Gotcha!
Alright, come on. Oh, lovely. Oh, sorry. Ear itched.
Dude, I had an ear infection. Ah, yeah, we got a heavy gunner.
Yeah,
Come on!
I got a heavy gun. Oh.
You fucking killed me before I can get a shot off.
Keep going!
Gotcha. Happens. Alright.
I think they want me to grab this. Okay.
Come on.
Where
I
are
think I
you,
might have
Lynch?
dropped him.
Come on!
Drop. Oh!
I'm coming.
No, I'm good. Honestly, a lot of the guys were on my level, so it actually helped
I'm
me to get
literally
that.
right near you now.
Okay, sweet. Oh, shit.
I see you, hold on.
Oh,
Right here.
shit. Oh, fuck, it scared the crap out of me. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, fuck. Oh!
Ooh.
took out a lot of them. Not gonna lie. Alright, now take out more. Oh, damn it.
Keep going!
Alright. Hang on, I'm gonna creep up on the one guy because I think that heavy gunner in the back, I can hit him.
I literally just went and bought a Desert Eagle.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. I haven't got the shot it yet, but shoot it yet.
Got him.
And he's dead. Owie, owie, owie.
Oh, fuck.
I'm literally doing Overwatch
Oh. Okay. I'm not getting crazy. Just focus on getting down here. Focusing.
I sweat like a pig in summer. My fucking stand-up AC is on. What the fuck? And my windows are closed, so I don't know what the fuck is going on here. You good?
Yep, fine. Get down here. Oh, shit!
Yeah, Jesus!
Hang on. And...
Oh, porch game, thanks.
Yeah.
Keep going!
It happens. Yeah, try to get down here as soon as possible.
I'm gonna take out the guy with the MG, and then I'm gonna not.
Oh, I think I got him. I'm not sure.
But Lynch, come on!
MG's done.
Okay.
I'm literally hiding behind a sofa.
Okay.
If you don't die right now, I'm not gonna be happy. If you die,
Can't see them because of all these fucking computer parts.
this is like paradise for me.
Yeah, I know, but it's not. It's not exactly Paris for either of us because I don't like getting shot at.
Then you shouldn't have tried to join the fucking military.
No. Oh. Well, I didn't remember. I lost my eye. Okay. Oh, fuck, one's getting back up.
Oh, there's a douchebag on the.
There's people up top too. Oh fuck.
Well, one. And
Oh my god.
none.
Yeah.
Stick your head out.
What?
We did it, Lynch.
Did you say where? Did you say where'd you get the MG?
Yeah.
Oh, it was on my side. Literally, that when that door explodes on me, and knocks me back. There's a guy that has an MG.
Oh no! Just keep moving. Over there.
What?
Where's the
Plane.
other? There we go.
It's starting up.
Finally. Ah! No way! Son of a bitch!
Fuck.
It takes about 20 minutes for those things to spool up, so we got time, but we ain't got time. Let's move.
Yep. Come on.
Jesus, come on, move!
I'm running as fast as I can.
Same here. It's like a maze trying to get through these fucking containers. Fuck.
Come on, Kane! We're running out of time!
Yep. Go. Run.
Fucking dogs!
Oh, shit. Jumping on your ass, too. Okay.
Move.
Get inside!
I love how the plane still takes off even after we were just shooting. Dog days and end of the road. Oh, God.
You know what game I wish they didn't take the servers off?
What?
Turn the servers off? Army of Two.
Yeah, same here, because me and Val wanted to do that game as well.
I would have been better off because I have all the guns and all the...
Yeah, but we like playing the game. Like, we like just playing it. We weren't gonna do, like, you know, all guns.
That was me just playing it and playing it and playing it.
Oh, yeah, that was a good game.
Oh, yeah. I love that game. Oh, I hate this talk. Evan, skip it!
I like this song. Anyway,
No,
that was me.
the meaning of it.
Alright. Well, that was me and... Okay, there we go. That
Me
was...
and the him and, well, me.
Playing Kane Lynch 2 Dog Days for the second time. If you like these videos, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment on what games you'd want me and potentially Tim, Val, and all the other people at Stupid Awesome Gaming to do. I'm Evan.
And East Coast Gaming, guys. Always, if it's a family of channels, East Coast Gaming and Stupidly Awesome Gaming will probably be teaming up in the future.
Yep.
Subscribe to both of us, like our stuff, and well...
Yeah. Comment, share, and we'll see you on the next one. Night, everybody.
Bye.